Thank you for your purchase. Congrats on choosing this, and well done for taking the first step investing in learning how to get continuity income. Do not close this page yet, though. I'd like to know if you're interested in this special one-time offer. I know you're eager to check out your new purchase, so I'll make this fast. Only for new customers, how would you also like to get the video version of this monthly membership training program? This training program comes in video series, presented in MP4 format with a total running time of 1 hour plus. With these MP4 video series, you can watch on your computer, listen on your phone, mobile device, or even podcast. The full details to this upgrade is right below this video. Just a heads up though, this is a one-time offer, so you get to see this only once. That's right, only once. If you skip this page now, you won't get to come back again. And if this is offered again later, it will be at a higher price. Most video training programs are priced anywhere from $97 up to even $297, and home study courses can go for much higher than that. However, I have no intention of putting an exorbitant price tag on these videos. And I feel that if you want to get a better learning experience, you deserve to get it at a much more affordable price. So here it is. Click on the button below to upgrade your purchase and get the video version of this training program now.